everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I have a special unboxing, unbagging to share with you today. This is my Bolzano handbag subscription, and I'm excited about the size of this package because there is a handbag, a brand new handbag selected by my stylist at Bolzano Handbags based on my style profile. I did take a style quiz, and Bolzano sends me a handbag that they think I might enjoy. Now, Bolzano Handbags does send me this handbag free of charge in exchange for my honest review here on my YouTube channel. So if you enjoy videos like that, please be certain to subscribe and join me for a future video. I have been wearing Bolzano handbags for a couple of years now. I thoroughly enjoy the products sent by Bolzano Handbags. Prior to Bolzano Handbags, I was the girl that changed my handbag every season. Can you relate? And then I started receiving Bolzano handbags, and I started coordinating my handbags with my outfits. Now, things have been changing for me, and you know what? There's nothing wrong with that. If we're not changing, we are probably not breathing. But in the past, I would say year, I have come to really enjoy a smaller handbag. The smaller the handbag, the less I have to carry around of my husband's stuff, right? So the size of this bag really excites me. Another thing about Bolzano handbags, it makes for a wonderful gift. When you jump online to start your holiday shopping this year, check out the Bolzano website, especially if you have a hard to buy for person in your life, because you can gift someone with a subscription. And I'll tell you what, I have been gifted with subscriptions before, and every single month when I receive the gift, it makes me think of the gift giver, right? So this is a fabulous gift, but it's so affordable. For the handbag and accessories, it's only $33.95, and you can add beauty products to that as well for an additional $10. Trust me, take a look at the website. I've left all the information, everything I know, in the description box below, but this is certainly a gift that will not disappoint. I've got to get into this bag. I can't wait to see what's in it. And per usual, the bags always come in a nice branded dust bag. There is a branded ribbon on top, as well as a card that says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Let's see what's inside. All right, here it is. Here is the reveal. Oh, this is cute. Really cute. Oh, I like this. This is what the bag looks like. And it is filled with accessories. Now, just imagine this presentation, getting this as a gift, and like your sister opening this up and all of those goodies on top. Cute bag. It does have feet on it. Okay, let's see what's inside the bag. All right, inside the bag is this pink plastic opaque bag, and it does have a zip top. This would be really nice for travel. It is filled, chock full of goodies. Okay, let's see what we have. We do have some lip gloss here. And okay, I like the Bolzano lip glosses that I have received. This one is by Clinique. That's a great brand. What do we have here? An eyebrow pencil? Perfect eyeliner. Okay, and this is in a light brown color. So that looks nice. Oh my goodness. And next up is some eyeshadows. There's 3 of these eyeshadows. And, well, they are attached, but there is a blue and a beige and kind of a slate color, sorry. But, okay, that looks like fun. Next up is some jewelry, and I can see this, and I love it already because of the stone color. This is, oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, okay, this is a Kelly thing. I love this. This is something I would wear year round, but this is perfect for the holidays. This is, it's a ruby color. This is a red stone and crystals all the way around it. So it's a silver chain. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I really like this. It's a necklace, earrings, and look inside, look inside. A ring. This ring is gorgeous. Now, I'm sure this is costume jewelry, fashion jewelry. Oh, I love it. All right, let's talk about the handbag because this is a handbag subscription, but I'm telling you, the jewelry that Bolzano has sent me has been very fun, but this, I feel, this set that I received this time, I feel like it's so very personal to me because it's my favorite color stone. It's a little blingy, which I do enjoy, but let's talk about the handbag. Now, this handbag is a brown, almost like a cognac color. It is a smaller bag, which, like, you know, I've said it before, I'm real excited. Oh, it does have a crossbody, and my experience has been that there's always a crossbody strap. So I am going to attach the strap, but this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It does have a zipper pocket, and that's a nice deep pocket, and it has 2 slip pockets on it. It is fully lined. We also have a zip pocket on the back side of this, so that is really nice. I do like the exterior pocket. How about you on your handbags? And it's got the zip top, so this is really a nice bag. I'm going to attach the crossbody and try it on. We'll see how it looks. Okay, I don't think I need to repeat this, but I will because I'm absolutely thrilled with the jewelry. It fits my personality. It's also really great for the season that we're going into. I don't know if it matches the sweater I'm wearing today, but I don't care. I think red goes with everything. I love it. The handbag is pretty awesome. I did extend the crossbody strap to the longest length because I'm 5'7", and I wanted to see how it would feel, how it would fit on me. I think it fit perfect, but if you are shorter, the bag would fit as well. I haven't had any problem with the crossbodies not fitting with my Bolzano handbags. This is a great color, a great all-around color for an everyday bag. This one is perfect. It's perfect for me. I'm excited to get the smaller sized handbag. This was a really fun unboxing for me. I enjoyed it. What did you think about the bag that I received and all of the goodies? Wasn't it fun? Make sure that you check out the Bolzano website if you're looking for a gift or even a gift for yourself. You can tell them Kelly sent you. I have all the information in the description box below, and if you use my code, you will get a free gift. But if you just visit the website, you can spin a wheel and get a percentage off your order or a free gift. I mean, it's really a lot of fun. It's just a fun experience that I really enjoy getting. Thank you so much for joining me today to see my latest Bolzano handbag. Guys, please make sure that you subscribe. If you enjoy handbags, this week on my channel, I will be featuring nothing but handbags. So if you like that, subscribe and join me for a future video. Thumbs up this one if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to you.